In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Loom video share link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, just find that browser of yours and go ahead and launch it. Once it's open, navigate to the Loom website. You can do this by typing loom.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Loom homepage, it's time to sign into your account. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one, which is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Loom, where all your videos are displayed. This is where the fun begins. You need to locate the video you want to share. Scroll through the list of your videos until you find the one that you're ready to share with others. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that video. Take a moment and wait for the video to open. Sometimes it may take a few moments to load, depending on your internet speed. But don't worry, patience is key here. Now that your video is open and ready to go, let's look for the share button. You'll notice that this button is located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that share button a click. This will open up additional options related to sharing your video. After you've clicked the share button, look for the copy link option. Once you see it, click on that as well. Boom. Just like that, the shareable link to your video is now copied to your clipboard. What does this mean for you? It means you can now share your video wherever you need to, whether you want to send it via email, post it on social media, or maybe share it with a colleague in a chat message. The link is ready for you to paste. To paste the link, simply go to the application or platform where you want to share the video. Place your cursor in the text field where you want the link to appear. Then, you can right-click your mouse and select Paste, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Loom video share link and can now share it with anyone you want. It's a simple process, but if you take it step by step, it becomes a breeze. Just to recap, we opened our web browser, signed into Loom, selected the video we wanted to share, clicked on the share button, copied the link, and pasted it wherever we desired. I hope you found this video helpful in navigating Loom. It's always useful to have a solid grasp of these tools, especially when you have important information to share with others. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Again, if you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Your support means so much and helps me create more helpful videos for you in the future. Thanks for watching.